Come on.
Come over here.
Come on. You were trespassing, were you not?
Oh,
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
no, you're done. It's done.
No, I'm from Maryland.
I don't care.
Maryland. I'm not even from Maryland.
Okay. I don't care. All right, we're gonna take your thing off. All right.
That's fine, bro.
This gentleman.
Yeah. Can you
So
remove
what's
him from
going
the airport? He's been really disrespectful.
Yeah.
He's been racist, disrespectful. He was intoxicated, so we said that he couldn't go. But he just got out of hand.
Okay. We'll do
So I canceled his ticket.
that. He cannot fly with
He cannot
Southwest.
fly with Southwest Airlines. Nope.
Okay. Hey, what's
I
up?
think he was just making a change, a transfer.
Oh, what's up, man? How's it going?
Good. Did you just hear everything I just went on?
No, I'm
They
so
don't.
good.
They don't want to have you as a customer anymore
Why not?
because you're being disrespectful. You're being racist. And they have a choice. No, this is not for debate. And they have a choice because it's their airline. They just don't want your business. You and I do not have a problem. So I'm going to make a suggestion to you. If you want to keep your freedom, you're going to go and you're going to listen to everything I say. We're going to walk to the other side of the airport, and you can pick another airline to fly with.
Okay.
It's that simple. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Let's go.
But can you repeat this one more time?
What's that?
3 areas of law converge in this encounter. Fourth Amendment seizure doctrine, Florida's Trespass Statute, and federal airline authority under 49 United States Code Section 44902. The initial contact was a consensual encounter under Florida versus Bostick, 1991. No seizure attached. The subject was legally free to leave and voluntarily chose not to.
What's that? They believe.
Bro, I'm saying I have to go to another airline, right?
Yeah, you can use another airline.
Yeah, I know, but what's the other airline? Because she's...
Where are you going to?
Yes.
Where?
No, Texas.
Okay, there's I can go over there and I can probably help you try to find something in Texas. There might be a Frontier. I don't know the airlines, but I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go take a walk.
I'm not trying to be like that.
I know you're not.
I'm saying she's being very micro. It's like the microaggression is kind of weird. But
Okay. But it's not up for debate, unfortunately.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Okay, let's go take.
It's because she's not like.
Okay, so just remember, we'll just keep it going. Okay.
I'm good.
Thank you, man.
I just have a flight with my friends. Bro.
Yes. What's up?
I'm trying to see.
Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll make phone calls if we have to. Okay.
No, but I'm a flight to Austin, actually. Austin.
You can't do it on Southwest. You have to find another airlines
Okay, so I'm banned from what?
from Southwest.
Because
Your behavior. I didn't witness it. I'm not here. It's
Brother,
not up for debate.
I was
Listen.
charging my phone. I wasn't doing anything.
I get you. Well, what's your first name?
Steve.
Steve, you probably had too much to drink. You know,
Did
you probably did because I think you're a little drunk right now. I can tell. I've been drunk before too, and I've done some stuff that I probably shouldn't have done.
Brother, I've been drunk as well. I promise you.
We'll do it while we walk.
It's so funny because my friends are on the flight. I don't know who this is.
Let's go, Steve.
Okay.
You ever been to jail?
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Chris.
Chris? Okay, Chris, listen. I've been to jail, yes.
Do you want to go again? I don't want to take you, Steve. I don't.
Chris, brother, I have done nothing but complied.
Okay. You're not complying right now.
Okay, I'll comply with you. But I just need to make my flight to Puerto Rico.
Not on Southwest. We got to do it on a different airline. I'm going to help you. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to help you. All right?
Okay, I'll walk with you.
Let's go right here. What? No, you're not.
I'm good. Still over here.
No, we're going.
No, I'm still over here.
Okay, let's go to jail. Turn around.
Wait, no, but I'm saying, wait.
We have to leave this area. It's not up for negotiation.
Okay.
Okay? We have to get on this shuttle right here and we got to go.
Dude.
Or I take you in my car to jail.
Okay.
And you don't go to Puerto Rico. You have the options right now to not go to jail.
I'll still get on the airline.
You're not getting on this airline. They do not want to have you there.
I understand, but you guys are like mistreating me.
I'm not mistreating you.
Yes,
I'm giving
I am.
you the option.
Because my dad is trying to take me home.
Okay, let's get to your dad.
Steve,
Okay.
I want to get
Where's
you
your dad at?
Then just chill.
Steve,
Chill.
so let's get on this.
Okay.
We already talked about this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, well, you're being so weird. And it's funny, because grammatically, you know, like, it's like the same
Not too
shit.
close, not too close.
Not too close. Okay, then challenge, what?
So like we could use words without getting close, is what he's trying to say.
Brother, we can use
My
words.
friend. I can hear you.
Okay, but just look, my dad is coming to pick me up.
Let's get
I got challenged by the airline. I'm chilling. I'm cooling. I just sat down to wait for my friends. I did not do anything. You're being weird. And I'm saying, just chill, bro. Look.
Do you fly Southwest a lot?
Yes, I do.
All right. So here's the thing: if we just keep going like this, they won't ban you or anything bad will happen.
Okay, but I just want to go home.
They already have. Okay, never mind.
That's it. I want to go home.
He's showing racist behavior over there. He's wanting to be bitter with them. He's wanting to argue with them. And I said, you and I don't have an issue.
Yes, we don't.
But you have an issue with them.
Brother, I don't have an issue with anyone here.
Okay. Are you familiar with the corporate process of how to make complaints?
No, I'm not.
Okay. You want to have some education on that? You're saying you did nothing wrong, yes?
Yes.
They're saying you did something wrong, yes? So what you can do...
Brother, my friends are on the Southwest flight. I left because my dad went to pick me up. I had my bag, Okay,
that's fine.
I'm just about to leave the airport. Dude.
Okay, and we're gonna get you there. So where is your dad picking you up on the A side? Southwest?
No, he's on B terminal.
Okay, we'll take you to B terminal. Can you call your dad?
Yes, I can.
And then we'll figure out exactly where on B terminal. And we'll lead you right there.
Try to find another flight. Because you're not for you're being weird. And I know
Let's go over here, Fanny. So let's call your dad and figure out where on B terminal he's at. Is he here already?
Bro, you know where my dad is at?
No, I'm trying to figure out B terminal.
Yes.
But like where? Like there's level.
I mean, I want him to gas though. I want blue eyes, the great beard, all that. I want him to gas.
The doors and hold on to the
You're so
I'm not going to play a game.
You're so racist.
with the main terminal.
We're going to get you on the other side. We're going to try to get you to where you need to go, okay?
Baggage claim is on level 2.
So your dad's on B terminal, right?
Hello, this is Orlando Airplane Niner.
You promised me what?
Welcome.
What you promised me?
But you're racist.
Welcome to the
You have a right to have that opinion.
year of imagination.
I do.
You do.
of theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found.
This is why you're not flying with them. Because of your behavior.
Orlando.
Alright? This is why they don't want you to fly with them. Okay? I forgive you.
Let's call your dad. He says B terminal is either 3 or like level 2.
He also has friends here. He doesn't know where they're at, so.
They're at B terminal, going to Tampa.
Okay. All right. Let's figure that out, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I told him, I said I'd help him try to figure all this out.
Okay, what's your number? What's your office number?
I'll get you all that information.
Okay, office, Vannanen. Oh, but it's 30. Oh, no wonder it's 30 though. Okay, so Vannanen. Okay, but I'll take a picture of that.
Yeah, take a picture.
Yeah, I will.
I'm recording you too.
Yeah, that's fine, dude. Because I'm just on the airport trying to get to my dad. Office. Oh, you're Corporal Vannanen. Oh, that makes sense, dude. That makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, you are.
All right. Sergeant?
That's your bus right there. The pink one. The pink one.
Oh, the pink one.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, this is the orange one.
Take it. Go ahead. I don't care. Take it.
I mean, I'm not even sure, bro.
He give me all the time. Go and get him.
He has a pass. Give him the fucking pass.
So come on. I bet.
Give him the pass. Give him the pass.
What pass y'all give me?
The bus pass.
Which one?
The red one.
This
right there.
I don't know which. Yeah.
It's like the car, but
Bro, you're bugging over what?
oh, you playing. That's the problem.
Brother, I don't know you.
Swipe the card. You know how to swipe a card, correct? So swipe the card.
I ain't swiping aggressive.
Dang, bro, because you playing games, bro. You purposely playing
I
games.
just
Swipe the
stepped
card.
in the.
Swipe the card, man.
Brother, what the? Swipe.
You got game. Wow.
Yo, I don't know this dude. Why you playing aggro, nigga? I don't know you.
Get in the back. How does this work, dude? Which side?
I don't know you, Mahar. I don't know you. You're breaking.
All right. Yo, go sit down. Go sit down.
I'm Mahar. I don't know you.
Go sit down.
I don't know this, bro.
Drop him off the first stop. Get him out of here. Yeah.
When the subject refused to board the shuttle, the encounter elevated to a Terry stop. Observed intoxication and a formal airline report satisfy reasonable articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. The verbal ultimatum, board the shuttle or face arrest, was the lowest tier of force above officer presence, objectively reasonable under Graham versus Connor, 1989. The subject's return after a trespass warning completed the probable cause analysis. The arrest was constitutionally sound. The charge, Florida Statute Section 810.08, first-degree misdemeanor, carries a maximum of 1 year and requires 3 elements: a lawful warning from an authorized person, the subject's acknowledgement, and subsequent return. A verbal warning combined with a contemporaneous bus pass satisfies the statutory notice requirement. Florida law requires no written exclusion form where clear oral notice is documented and acknowledged on camera. Southwest Airlines acted under 49 United States Code Section 44902, which authorizes carriers to deny service to passengers inimical to safety. Observed intoxication meets that standard, forecloses state tort liability for the refusal. The subject's verbal criticism of officers is protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. The right to record officers in public is confirmed by the 11th Circuit. Both protections were properly acknowledged.
Come on.
Come over here.
Come on. I'll go.
You were trespassed, were you not?
Oh, no. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. No,
No, you're done. It's done.
no, I'm from Maryland.
I don't care.
Maryland. I'm not even from Maryland.
Okay. I don't care. All right, we're gonna take your
Okay.
thing off. All right.
That's fine, bro. I'm here to make my bag mixes.
Oh yeah, your bag will go with you.
Yeah, I'm not even from Florida, bro. No.
So you understand why you're being detained right now, right?
Honestly, not really.
Yeah.
So you have the trespass paperwork. You were trespassed, we gave you a bus pass on the agreement that you were going to leave the airport. And then you came back. So that's why you're being detained.
I'm not from Florida, bro. I'm from Maryland.
I know, but that's it.
I'm from Maryland.
My car's over there. Yeah. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, poke me, stick me?
No, bro.
No.
You can check it real quick.
I'll probably just call like my girlfriend in Maryland. By the way,
You can call your girlfriend when we get
I'm not from Orlando, bro. But I mean,
we're gonna put your wallet and your glasses and your paperwork inside your bag, okay? Is your boarding pass in there? Yeah, it's in your wallet. Yeah. Your cell phone's gonna go in there too.
so is anybody just getting like left out tonight, like robbed away?
That's more of a question for
We gave you like 7 opportunities. All you had to do is
No, somebody can help me.
trespassing is the same thing.
Bro, I didn't
spread your legs for me.
Yep. Well, honestly, I didn't
Have a seat.
183 is what I got.
can I get a phone call?
Yeah, when you get to the jail.
Oh, okay. My bad, bro.
You're good, man. You nervous, bro?
A little bit, because I was trying to cancel a flight back home.
I'm a bit nervous.
I'm not even right now.
One procedural concern: no Miranda warning is audible at the point of custodial arrest. Safety questions fall under the public safety exception established in New York versus Quarles, 1984. Any processing statements require full advisement under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Verify in the arrest report. Officer Chris, minus. Legally sound arrest, exemplary de-escalation, correct First Amendment acknowledgments. Deducted for coercive framing and unverified Miranda compliance on camera. The subject D acknowledged the warning on camera, had viable alternatives, returned anyway. The ignorance defense is foreclosed. The officer stated the law on camera before departure. Southwest and GOA, be federally authorized refusal, legally sufficient warning, improvable with a written exclusion order. 3 operational lessons. 1 formal written exclusion orders. Eliminate the adequacy challenge at trial.
Because you're being
Use them.
disrespectful.
2,
you're
Miranda
being
advisement must be
racist,
audible on Bodycam
and they
at the
have a
point of
choice.
arrest.
No, this is
Document
not
it every
for
time.
debate.
3,
And they have a
documented
choice
voluntary
because
compliance
it's their
efforts
airline.
produce a stronger arrest record than immediate force. Share your thoughts in the comments. Sit skewer for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.